How to use Printify with Amazon. Amazon Printify tutorial. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we are dedicated to show to you guys how you will be able to use Printify, which is a print-on-demand product with Amazon with very easy steps. And I'm also going to show you how you will be able to use Printify and its features by creating a design in Canva and then simply creating any type of design and showing you how it would be connected and transferred to Amazon for you to sell. So first things first, what you need to do is to set up your Amazon. Of course, make sure that you have a seller account. The seller account in Amazon is a bit tricky compared to other e-commerce platform. But after you set that up, you can easily go to Printify over here. Now in Printify, of course, you need to create an account, all of those stuff, the typical things. But you first need to connect your Amazon store to Printify. Now, if you created a design without connecting it to your store first, the design has a chance to disappear or not be used for the store that you have just connected. So for example, this apron over here that I have created, if I have created this before I connected it with Amazon and then I connected it to Amazon afterwards, this could disappear and I won't be able to interact or import this to Amazon anymore. So I have to recreate that item again. And sometimes, especially for more complicated designs or designs that you have spent a lot of time modifying, that's going to be a hassle. So to be able to connect your Amazon, simply look over here on the top left, click on this My New Store section over here, click on Add a New Store. In this section, you will be able to see here different platforms that you will be able to connect. As you can see here, you can notice that Amazon is not part of these platforms that you are able to connect to. You only have Etsy, Shopify, and TikTok US. So what you're going to do is that you're actually going to utilize Shopify instead. Now, Shopify actually is a platform that would allow you to connect multiple platforms together. So it can serve as a middleman. So this is a platform that you could use. So in Shopify, there is such things that you will be able to do, such as add apps, and there is apps for integrating Amazon, and there's apps for integrating Printify, as you can see here. So with my explanation, you can understand the connection that would happen. So that, for example, I connected my store, my Shopify store over here, and then I created a product and then I imported it or published it on my Shopify store. And what happens in the Shopify store is that if it's also connected to your Amazon, it will automatically add whatever product in your Shopify store into Amazon. So if you create something in Printify, it will transfer it to Shopify and then it will transfer it to Amazon very easily. So over here in Printify, after you have successfully connected it, you can easily find different products that you want to create a design on. So you can click on catalog over here and you will be able to see all the different types of product that you could play around with, from t-shirts to tank tops to bags, wall decorations, and all sorts of stuff over here, as you can see. So there's a lot of items over here that you can customize. So the thing that I would like to do the most is to look through the bestsellers. Now the bestsellers means that these are products that people are buying the most. These are products that people who are using Printify are actually having a lot of sales of. So you know that these are successful items. So the successful items are very plain things like t-shirts over here. So let's go with this one. Unisex heavy blend, crew neck sweatshirt. So as you can see here, you will be able to see some mock-ups over here, the design. You will be able to see the price, the production time, and all of those things. You could check out the providers or the print providers. Each print providers can be different. For example, this one, Underground Threads, has sizes from small to 3XL, while Swift POD over here allows you to create 5XL over here. And it has more colors as well. And you could also check out key features over here, as you can see, if to ensure that this is the type of design or this is the type of product or material that you're going for. So after that, you can easily click on Start Designing and then you will be redirected to their editing page where you can import or upload your design that you have, as you can see here. It's very easy. There we go. You have your front side and back side. So you can easily upload an image over here from your device, Dropbox, or Google Drive. So let's go over here in Canva and let's actually create a very fast and easy design for us. Here we go. Let me delete this for now. And let's go to under elements. I would suggest that you use Canva if you're creating your own designs, if you don't have a design yet, because Canva is filled with amazing designs and amazing artworks that you could play around with. There's a lot of collections over here, and it could easily build really high detailed stuff, for example. So maybe let's put this one over here, just like that. And then I could put this character over here, and I could put this in the background, just like this. I change the position to the back. There we go. So now we have this very simple design over here. Click on share, download, and let's download it as a PNG. Now after this is downloading, there we go. We're going to go back to our Printify over here. And simply upload the design that you have just created from Canva over here. So over here it's going to be uploaded. There we go. And then you just simply make it larger, put it wherever you want it to be, either center, top right, or wherever you want. And you can even add it to the back areas if you want. So let's have that for now. You could add variants over here. You could add different colors of clothing. There we go. You could save the product. And now after that, you could easily go over here. Now in this section, this is where you will be able to see what the design would look like. As you can see here, as you can see, this is what it would look like if there is as you can see here. You could also see this mock-up over here, what it would look like if someone wore it. As you can see, it looks decent. You could see more mock-ups over here, maybe this one, as you can see. And then you could simply modify the product title, description, tags, and shipping, and all of those stuff. And as you can see here, the publishing section, this is only available or will only appear once you actually but anyway, let's click on publish, and it will be published to our Shopify store, as you can see here. But right now it's publishing error because I have not logged into my Shopify. But anyway, this is what it would show. And after that publish, it should be also be published on your Amazon stores as well. And that's basically how the interaction would work. You could add as many products as you want. You could modify, or you could actually check out the orders here as well. You could view it in Shopify or Amazon. But this is something where you could also view your traffic with the platform as well. And that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.